Salutations, my friends and community. I hope you are making fat stacks of blue cheese out there. It is a beautiful day. Crypto running up. And you know what? I thought, let's go ahead and talk about Dogecoin. And the biggest winner in my portfolio in terms of percentage is not XRP, is not Ethereum, it's not Bitcoin. It's BONK Daddy, baby. Let's go. The dogs are barking. And of course, we're going to look at Shiba Inu as well. What is happening out there? Let me know which one's making you the most in the comments. And yes, Crypto Mo is here. This is the new channel. Hit the subscribe button. Join me on this journey to becoming multi-crypto millionaires, because we have officially 2 weeks ago hit millionaire status on the portfolios. On paper, of course. I know people will say, "Oh, it's just paper." I know, but man, we could just keep watching it go higher. Keep watching it go higher. The Kraken, this is a small account challenge I did. You guys know I did this a couple of months ago, but I did a small account challenge where I bought 1,000 to a couple thousand worth of each one, a couple hundred of each one. Got some for free here. That's the beauty on Kraken. The airdrops are just automatic, man. I don't even have to sign them, nothing. They just drop it in my account and you get some cash. So anybody asking, yeah, if you guys want to join Kraken, second link down below. I did talk to them and ask them what they could do for my viewers. They said we can give them 25 free USDG if they trade 100 or more, but you do got to use my link to get there, second one. And if you'd like to join my Discord, first link down below. The discount, 50% off, expires shortly. So get in there, earn a tier, get you access to everything. That's the one you want. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at this and the portfolio. Let's look at the portfolio first, and then we're going to look at the charts on all of these. A little bit different. On my main page, you know, I'm covering XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. This one, I want to key in on some of the altcoins. You're 197% up since I got into this. BONK. I liked BONK. I thought it was going to do well. It did. Shiba Inu as well as Dogecoin. Two interesting ones right here. Dogecoin, 14%. That's it. You're not getting that mad love like you used to. And of course, this right here, this portfolio is based on ETS and US-based cryptos. BONK was one of the US-based cryptos that I absolutely liked to see, and now you see it running 197% up. We're going to go and take a look at all of the charts, though, on these and see where we're going. So starting with Dogecoin, and is there room to run? And I'm going to use the daily candles on this. You could see that right here, we got a stock mo unicorn just absolutely running. And so I like this. I got to be blunt. See that 200-day simple moving average there, right there? This is what you're watching for. So for everyone asking me, are we done running? No. Right here's the 200-day. We haven't even hit the 200-day. So once we can cross the 200-day, it gets really interesting at that point. We're not even there yet. In other words, the true golden run of crypto is just beginning. If we can take out that 200-day moving average, it could get just plain silly out here, all right? And I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it, obviously. Yeah, 13 crossed the 50 on the EMAs, 5 crossed before. You get the run. You have a triple cross, which you need to take the pressure a little bit. 68 on the RSI. Not bad. It's high, but not bad. And that moves us into, let's go into SHIB next. Boom. So take a look at Shiba Inu. In the Shiba Inu price prediction I'm going to throw out here. So you got the 200-day. Once again, we're below. And you can see it moving. 13 right here. A couple days. Usually within 3 days of the 13 crossing, we'll have a monster green candle. Normally on that day. But not this time. Had to go 2 days. And then the last 2 days here, you get a really nice move up. And that's typical of what you would expect. How big of a move? How big of a move? A little one so far. I absolutely believe we are going to go up and retest the 200-day moving average at least. And then if we can take that out, oh, folks, where could we go? Where could we go? At least those near-term highs, 17, at least 20%, I would think. That's what I'm looking at here. That's what I'm seeing. I hear opportunity knocking. We want to take advantage. It's bullish. It's looking good. Doesn't mean it can't pull back down, retest like 5s and 13s and stuff. But for now, this is definitely looking like a stock mode unicorn. All right. And for those who say, what's a stock mode unicorn? This is a really nice run up. You got the snout right here, and then you get the breakout right here. That's the horn. And that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm expecting. And I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. I don't know about you, but that's what we're seeing. Now, moving on to BONK. Man, take a look at BONK. Take a look at BONK. BONK is the one that's been absolutely, as I showed you in my that portfolio, making mad gains in terms of percentages. Look at this candle. That is a beautiful candle. And see this line here? I haven't touched that line. That was the goal line. That was the resistance line that I was expecting to get to. And you can see that right here. We came all the way back down. We are now there again. And that was to be my support to bounce us up, but we didn't. We actually had months and months and months of downward. Now we're back up to it. Will we go from here? Let's tighten it up. Well, from here, if we can confirm, now we could run back up to that level, those 50s. All right, and right now we're in the 30s, so it's possible. It's possible. This was a big run so far. We've seen runs like this before, right here during November. When the shorts got burned, it popped for days. And you look at this chart right now, see how it almost looks the same? It looks almost the same. So could it get all the way back up there? Absolutely. Absolutely. I can't tell you if it will or not. I don't have a crystal ball, and we're running into the overbought now. You got the RSI up at 84 right now. 84, ridiculous. So for those who were with me before when we bought, and we bought at the lows, you were up almost 200%. Now, for everybody looking at it now going, hey, now it's up 200%. Now I want to buy it. That's the hard decision. The charts are bullish. The technicals are overbought. And that's a fact. And so now we got to see if we can confirm above this and continue that run. A lot of things happening out there, and I definitely like BONK in the mix, man. So we'll see how it goes. I got my position. We'll see if it continues to run for me, and we'll see if we can make a little bit more smack on this thing, man. We're doing all right. Now, let's take a look. I can make you feel a little bit better about some of these altcoins. You know what? I want to pull up Sui. Sui was another one that I was watching. You guys know Sui's been holding strong off of my support levels I've been watching, and as we kept going, those support levels bounced again, held up, and you saw the 13 cross right here on the 50. The 200 has now been taken out officially, and look, a massive takeoff. And that's what I'm expecting over with some of these other altcoins, but we are at a level with Sui where if we can break this right here, and you can see the resistance already. If we can break that right there and confirm above, that is takeoff to the next level. I'm expecting another 10% if we confirm there. If we do not, I'm expecting the 50 to become the trampoline where we go down, hit it, and try to bounce back up. So I did want to make sure that everybody could see that one as well. And let's go ahead and pull up a little ADA, a little Cardano, and take a look at that one, because this one just got to the 200-day moving average, and I love seeing that because look what we got. We just teased it, broke above. Now, if we get a confirmation candle, I think I might be going into a little bit more Cardano in one of my trades. I'm not sure, but I do like the look of this, especially with us breaking that 200-day moving average. That's one of them big resistance. Now, the problem is all the RSIs are so high right now. Why? Because they're voting on the Genius Act down in D.C. They got two other bills. They got the rules for the game were passed today. We were watching that in the Discord. There was a lot of things happening out there in the world of crypto when it comes to the rules and regulations and everything else. And they dubbed it, what they call it, Crypto Week this week. So right now it seems to be Crypto Week. I know the last two weeks have been absolutely massive in terms of gains for cryptos. For those following my portfolios, you guys know I got a ton of XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin's, it's okay. It's the foundation to my crypto portfolio, and I have a lot in there. But Ethereum is quickly running up there to kind of try to overtake it. And as you can see, it continues to run. 3,300, and for those wondering, yeah, the next line I have is 34.75. If we confirm here and go up to the next candle, I would expect 34.75 right now. It's amazing. It's a beautiful time for people like me who come on here and I talk crypto for years. And now I was buying Ethereum when I first was on Robinhood way back in the day, and $100, a little over $100 a piece, and now it's worth $3,300 and something dollars. It is insane to think about those investments and how much they are worth now. I love it. Let's see how high we can go. I'm sure that hopefully we'll have a lot more good news in the near future here with all the votes going on and things getting signed into law. Now, if you haven't done it, join me down below. You can either hit the join button or the first link gets you over to the Patreon where you can get 50% off. Like I said, code July. Code July is the promo code. Or click that button, save 15% off an annual pass. That's the best deal you can get. And of course, take advantage of the Kraken link. Boom, 25 free USDG after you trade 100, but you got to use my link. All right, family, that's it. That's the update. I will see you in the Discord.